Here we go. Severe thunderstorm warning.
National Weather Service in Pueblo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for south central El Paso County in east central Colorado, north central Pueblo County in southeastern Colorado until 10:30 p.m. At 10:03 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Piñon, or 18 miles north of Pueblo, moving southeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees.
What?
Locations impacted include Fountain, Piñon, Hanover, and the northern portions of Pueblo West. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Double header, please.
Now here is
Oh,
the
dang it.
hazard